A Winnipeg woman is facing medical uncertainty tonight after the abrupt closure of a plastic surgery clinic. She's paid more than $12,000 and has no idea when her next appointment will be. To explain, CTV's Joseph Bernacki joins us now live. Joseph, what happened to this patient and why has the clinic suddenly closed its doors?
Marilee, the status of suspended physician Dr. Manfred Ziesman's clinic remains up in the air. The patient I spoke with is left with some big questions, all in the last week.
Well, I'm gobsmacked, for one thing.
That's how Transcona resident Deidre DeMel described finding out her appointment with plastic surgeon Dr. Manfred Ziesman was canceled, and there would be no follow-up to her recent procedure.
You just can't up and leave your patients and say, okay, I'm retiring, you know. It can't be.
DeMel had her first cool sculpting procedure in August. The elective surgery removes fat from the body, but it doesn't come cheap.
We could give you a deal, $12,000, but it has to be paid up front and in full.
That price covered 2 treatments and included all follow-ups. She got another round in September. However, her November check-in was canceled.
They said, no, I'm afraid Dr. Ziesman's closing the office and he's decided to retire. And this all occurred on the 30th of October. The clinic closed on the 31st of October, and he is now retired after 1 day.
It's not clear if Ziesman has indeed retired and closed the office. Social media pages for the clinic are still up, but phone calls go straight to voicemail.
Thank you for calling Sculptology. Please leave a brief message and phone number, and we will get back to you.
Ziesman was first suspended in March for 6 weeks by the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Manitoba after multiple complaints. Again, he was given an interim suspension on October 15th to protect the public while proceedings were ongoing. The college said patients should contact their family doctors for care, but those patients like DeMel, who had services not covered by Manitoba Health, will need to identify a new provider themselves. Now DeMel is worried about the money she has spent, her patient records, and her health.
I'm not pleased. I hope something gets done, but you know, it's the buyer beware.
DeMel is pretty confident she'll be able to find another doctor to take over her follow-up care, but the sudden closure brings up many issues for all the patients of the clinic.
Sure does. Okay, what does the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Manitoba say about closing or moving a practice?
Well, Marilee, usually a doctor has to give 90 days notice if they are leaving or closing a practice, but because Dr. Ziesman was suspended, he couldn't practice, and therefore the 90 days did not apply, according to the college. Retiring doctors or those moving must tell the college, and individual notices need to go to patients with appointments booked within the 90 days.
All right, thanks for this, Joseph.